Hello, it's me, Richard. Hope everyone had a great New Year's. Today is January 2nd, 2021. First of all, I want to wish everybody a truly healthy, prosperous, wonderful New Year in 2021. I know that last year it's been uh, really hard on everybody, for the world, for the most part. So let's hang in there, stay strong. And going on to this video, I did a video yesterday where I talked about Dogecoin, and I invested $1,000 yesterday. That was approximately 23 or 24 hours ago. Today's Saturday, January 2nd. So it goes up and down on a second basis. So, I've made about, on paper about 1,015 in gain. You can see there it's 2012, 2017. So there's quite, large swings and variations as far as, how it increases and decreases. There you see I've got about 183,284 units in Dogecoin. And I'm going to sit, I'm going to wait. Today it broke 1 cent. It would take a lot of money for the market cap on Dogecoin to really make it go up to $1, but I'm really confident that it will in due time. That's dependent upon Wall Street investors, hedge funds, risk takers, a lot of money in New York that with the QE easing. QU easing from the federal government, there's a lot of money out there in the economy. And it's not really going to the average citizens, but it's being held up and tied up with major Wall Street firms, banks, billionaires, multimillionaires. They have their accountants, lawyers. They're on top of, with these passings of the CARE Act and the one that we just had recently. They're the first ones to, get their, get the paperwork in, get the money coming out through loans and grants. So, so they're holding up a lot of cash, and that money has to go into something. And I think that for the most part, Wall Street is very risk not adverse, but they prefer risk. So with high risk, you do get high returns. So you don't want to settle for 2 or 3%. You can't even get 2 or 3% return on a savings account, but even for a Wall Street firm, getting 2 or 3%, if they can easily get through stock investments, mutual funds, or even up to like 7 or 8%. I feel that it's not within their range of returns that they really want these days. So they're looking more at like 10 to 15%. And the way real estate is these days, I think that in real estate, commercial office buildings, industrial buildings, I think it's kind of hard to get today because due to the moratorium on unpaid rent. There's a moratorium where tenants they can't get evicted quite that fast. Their rents are not getting paid. There's no cash flow coming into office buildings and so forth. I hope I'm not confusing the situation, getting off track, but what I'm trying to say is that when it comes to risk taking, I think crypto is where it's at right now. Bitcoin, really, I think it took off today, right around $32,000 per unit. Dogecoin broke at 1 cent. So everybody is hoping for that dollar breakthrough with Dogecoin. For that to happen, I really believe that it would take Wall Street to get into this, purchasing Dogecoin on an excessive level to reap the rewards, considering that Dogecoin is very risky, as well as all crypto. So like I said in my other video yesterday, I don't know what the future is. It could be a crash. It can go up. Go up through the roof. Shoot the moon. It can go anyway. We just don't know what the future is. And again, I'm not advising anyone to purchase Dogecoin or any other investments or cryptocurrency. But I do have 30 years experience in accounting. I know accounting left and right, which means that I can go into a corporate office and I can do the accounting, the books, full financial statements. I work with CPAs. I'm not a CPA. I know legal systems, how it works through the courts, legal documents, contracts. I know it all. But I'm not a CPA, although I am trying to pass a CPA this year. But at any rate, just to give you an idea of my knowledge base and my experience in life. So at any rate, I wanted to show you another screen. You can actually go to crypto coin market cap. And you can type that through Google, and there it will provide you with a number of cryptocurrencies that are being traded. And there you see Bitcoin, Ethereum. Look at Ethereum. It's trading at $776 today. I remember just 3 weeks ago, even 4 or 5 weeks ago, around the beginning of December, I think, or maybe November, it was flatlined around, I think, $600. I think around less than $600. So Bitcoin, at 32,603. And then it tells you the percentage of their gains. And that's the market cap. So the market cap is the number of units that are purchased times the units produced. So there's $606 billion worth of Bitcoin out there in the world. And with Ethereum, you've got about $88 billion. So let's go. You got Tether. Tether is $1. Tether is pretty appealing, I would say. Litecoin. Polkadot is another one. That's at $9. Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Coin. So I'm trying to find Dogecoin. But anyways, there's a list of all the cryptocurrencies out there. And you can see that the market cap is out there too as well. I mean, look at the market cap. It's market cap, $4 billion for USD coin. Wrap Bitcoin, $3 billion. I mean, that really is a lot of money. It's a lot. If you try to wrap your mind around how much a billion is, it's a lot. It's 100 million times 10. that's your $1 billion. So 100 million is a lot. And, and we have billionaires. So, there are billionaires that have that kind of money. So at any rate, the other thing that I wanted to share is that there's been news about Elon Musk, trading. I'll try to find out more information about Elon Musk. But it appeared that he's kind of interested in Bitcoin. So I'll try to find out some information and provide a video tomorrow on Elon Musk. But it's probably better maybe Monday or Tuesday because the weekend is basically everybody's at home, including Elon Musk. He's probably with his family. So there's not going to be any current information on what his investing appetite is. The other thing that I also read in the comments, thank you for all the comments that you've posted, hitting the like button. Please subscribe to my channel because I really want to share knowledge to help everyone out. I do have a lot of life experiences, so I do want to share my knowledge. Investing, I do like to invest. Going back to the comments, originally there was a comment made about Dogecoin being it was produced as a joke by a Japanese creator somewhere in Japan. I gotta say this as a point of reference. Originally, if Dogecoin was made as a joke, that goes to say the same for Bitcoin, because when Bitcoin came out not long ago, maybe in 2013, it was trading less than 50 cents, and everybody was very skeptical about investing in Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has a limited supply, whereas Dogecoin, it's an open-end supply. They can create as much as they can, but if the demand exceeds the amount of supply, then it will increase the value of Dogecoin. So I don't think it's just a matter of just hitting a button and then they can create 1 billion units of Dogecoin. I don't think it works that way. But Dogecoin and Bitcoin do share the same origin, where it was created with a lot of skepticism, disbelief, sarcastic attitude towards investments. But look at where Bitcoin is today, and then today Dogecoin is it broke 1 cent, and I think right there it's trading at $1.4 billion in market cap. That's a lot of money. So that being said, it's all risk. But if you don't take the risk, and I do want to say this, you do live one life. Try to keep a balance in your life. Risk taking for me, I do like to take risk because I do have one life, and I don't want to have any regrets where if I didn't do it, then I would regret it. Especially with Dogecoin, if it breaks, 2 cents or 3 cents in the next couple of weeks, then I can make, about $4,000 or $5,000. So I do want to take risk. I don't want to have any regrets, but I also keep in my mind about keeping an even balance in my mental well-being and not panicking if it dips, or not being scared of taking risk, because without risk taking, really there's you don't get to reap the gains of investing. And but again, I'm not licensed. I'm not advising anybody for investing in Bitcoin or stocks or anything else. I'm not advising you. I'm sharing this for entertainment value. I'm really attempting to share my knowledge from my life experience, and I hope that you take it, just part with it as entertainment, and if it can help you in any way in your life, I'm all for it. Again, please hit the like button. Please subscribe, and put your comments in the bottom below. I do respond to most of them as much as I can. And I'll also be producing videos on fine art, paintings. I've been dabbling in fine art for 30 years. And those will be in my videos in the next month or so. But at any rate, thank you for watching, and have a great day. Bye.